Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into range and opening the Pokestop. Don't waste time on menus. Make sure your GPS and location permissions are active, then tap the camera or scan button. You'll see a preview. Frame the landmark so it's centered. Move slowly as the app prompts you to pan. Hold the phone vertical unless instructed otherwise, and keep lighting steady. Once the capture begins, follow on-screen guides to cover each angle. You continue by following the markers that appear. These guide the scan sequence. Move at a moderate pace, pan horizontally and vertically as prompted so the app stitches a complete view. Make sure you capture foreground details and the landmark background for accurate alignment. If you need to retake a segment, stop and redo that pass. It's better than a blurred composite. Once every marker lights up, the app will indicate completion and start processing your data. You finish by letting the app process the capture. This may take several seconds. Preview the result, check alignment and sharpness, then save or submit. If the scan is blurry or rejects, retry in better light, reduce motion, or clear nearby obstructions. Make sure your internet is stable. Cellular drops can cause failures. If problems persist, use the in-app support, include time and device details, and try a quick restart of the app before attempting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.